From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott.
And I'm student meteorologist Mitchell Cocaine.
Here with the medium range forecast and video discussion issued on Wednesday, November 18th. Well, Mitch, we had some beneficial rain right now. Looking out the window, it's cloudy, damp, and dreary, really cool too. It's going to be that way over the next 24 to 36 hours, but heading into the weekend, looks a little brighter and a little nicer, doesn't it?
Heading into the weekend, it does look really nicer. We get a little bit of taste, a little high pressure. Nice, good. Get bump us back up into the 50s. So I'm looking forward to that type of stuff.
We'll take it. About all you can ask for late November. So take us into it.
Yeah, please. Let me take us in here. So looking at the Canadian model for Saturday afternoon, you guys can see that high pressure system set over the northeastern central plains there, and that's going to push its way into the region here on Sunday, and it's really just going to kind of sit over the Delmarva Peninsula down there. So just giving us nice, mainly sunny skies, and just really pleasant conditions there for Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
And taking a look into Monday.
Yeah, looks like a nice weekend, and I think it's going to stick around early next week. Both days this weekend, pretty good for outdoor activity. Should see highs in the 50s both days. And then pretty much a rinse and repeat on Monday. That high pressure system moves into the western Atlantic. The European says it's still over the southeastern U.S., but it pretty much all equals the same result here. Across the lower Susquehanna Valley, skies should generally be partly to mostly sunny on Monday, and it will even be a little bit milder than what we see Saturday and Sunday. Really beautiful day for a few days leading up to the Thanksgiving holiday. Looks like high temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s on Monday, perhaps even around 60 degrees in some spots. So get outside and enjoy the mild conditions. Now, there are some differences on Tuesday, and it's all related to that system that you see developing over the south central United States on Monday. You see the European model is slower with the timing of that system. So as we move forward then into Tuesday, the Canadian shows that low pressure system already moving toward the eastern Great Lakes region, but the European model suggests that low is over southern Canada with secondary low somewhere over the Midwest. So if the European model's right, Tuesday would still turn out to be partly to mostly cloudy and rather nice with high temperatures in the mid-50s to around 60. But if the Canadian model is right, then we would turn out mostly cloudy with some scattered showers, but it would still be seasonable for this time of year with highs in the low 50s. So given the fact that this is still 7 days away, we're just going to have to give it a few more days to see which model actually ends up being correct. So as we take a look at the medium range Campus Weather Service forecast, partly sunny and seasonable on Saturday, high 52, mostly sunny and rather pleasant on Sunday, high 52. Pleasant again Monday with times of clouds and sun, highs in the mid to upper 50s, and then looking forward into Tuesday, partly to mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and highs again in the mid to upper 50s. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the Medium Range Forecast. Tune back in next Wednesday for the latest edition. Until then, enjoy the sunshine and seasonable conditions this weekend.